Hey y'all. Welcome to my bathroom. I'm gonna attempt to show y'all my two strand twist out. And then also I kind of want to try some of the hair paint wax because I recently bought a few colors. I've had colors in the past. So it's been a while since I've been like in love with my hair or like even wanted to style my hair. I had it in protective styles / under wigs for like half the year last year. And then once I dyed my hair back blonde, I was like, oh my gosh, I feel like myself with my natural hair again. Because before it was just way too dark for me and it just wasn't giving, you know what I mean? So I did a 2-strand twist out last Sunday. Today is Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. And the results I feel like lasted really long, but I want to try it again. Nail cam, calling these my sweetheart nails. Like I said, I do my nails myself, so please do not come for me. So cute, we love to see it. Just keep doing nail cams in all my videos. So that way we can see the progression, okay, of me doing my own nails. Anyway, let's get into what this video is supposed to be about. Alrighty, so in terms of today's wash day products, I will be using maybe a controversial product to some, but I will be using the Diva Curl No Poo Decadence. Like I said before, don't come for me unless I some for you. This works for me, so I'm gonna use it, okay? I have it, so I'm gonna use it, okay? It's expensive, and I have it, so I'm gonna use it. So I switch off between using like a real shampoo and this because I don't get a lot of buildup on my hair personally, so I don't use shampoo every single time, but also you don't want to use this every single time. So I do switch back and forth between wash days as needed. This will be like my cleanser for today. Conditioner, I'll be using my fave, the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. I love this stuff, it's my favorite conditioner. And then once that's all done and over with, today I'll be using the Super Cholesterol Hair Conditioning Cream. So I'll be using this as like a deep conditioner after I get out of the shower. But yeah, I switch in between like wash days, like using this, and then some days I use the Apogee Keratin 2-minute reconstructor when I'm feeling real bougie, okay? I use the Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Let's go ahead and get started. Next time I see y'all, I will be deep conditioning. We're not going in the shower. That's not the type of channel this is. So yeah, so I will see y'all in a bit. Y'all, look how fast my hair freaking decided to grow when I dyed it. I'm kind of annoyed. It don't never want to grow fast any other time, but the second I dyed it blonde, it's to grow like a weed. Who ain't got inches? Who? Alright, and now it is all applied. I saturate my hair pretty well with the treatment. And now basically, I'm gonna take a shopping bag. 12 o'clock, is it too late for you tonight? So now that you look all cute and whatnot, I'm gonna go sit underneath the hooded dryer for a while, not gonna lie, and then we'll be back. Alright, and as you can see here, I have my little Ziggy baby. And of course I'll have the link to my hooded dryer in the description box. I just rinsed out the treatment out of my hair. This is what my hair looks like fresh and washed. That treatment did some good to my curls. Like, look how good they look. Yes, we love to see it. So yeah, this is my hair, no product, no nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my styling products ready and we're just gonna get rolling. So in terms of the products I'll be using for my hair today, I'm gonna be doing 2-strand twists like I said. Um, for my oil, I will be using a little bit of the Olaplex oil, mostly on my ends. And then I have a Main Choice Ancient Egyptian oil. I will be using that like for the rest of my hair. For my leave-in conditioner, I'll be using the Mielle Organics Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-in Conditioner. And as like my little bit of a gel, because I think the color wax will act as a holding agent already, but I'll be using the Twisted Sister Farewell to Frizz Amazing Dream Curl Gel. Yeah, so I'll be using that. So I have the ORS Curls Unleashed Moisturizing Beeswax Color Blast Temporary Hair Makeup Wax. Literally why their name's always so long. But I have the color Bombshell, and then I have the color Peachtree. So this is more of like a peachy orange coral color. This one's more like a gold. When I bought the gold, I really didn't think about the fact that my hair is blonde, so I'm not sure how well the gold is actually gonna come or show up on my hair. So we'll see about that. But I did do like a test strand of this, and it's really pretty, so I'm excited. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and put in all my styling products throughout my hair first. And I have realized that applying my styling products in sections allows me to make sure that I have every strand coated and taken care of. And now after I'm done putting in all my styling products, I just want to give my hair a quick little brush through to make sure there are no tanglies and to make sure all the product is evenly distributed. Yay! Now on to the fun part of the hair paint wax. So when I started applying it, I was like, like I can see it, but it's not as orange as I would have hoped. Like I wanted like orange hair, but you know what? The color that it gave me came out cute anyways. So yeah, I was just trying to get adjusted to the texture of the product. It's actually super soft. Like I've used the hair paint wax a few years ago, and it was the Mofajang one that everybody uses. And that one was a lot thicker and heavier. I liked how soft this one was. It felt kind of like a souffle. Alrighty, and here goes the two-strand twist. So it's kind of hard to explain, but basically I twist the two strands in one direction, but every time I twist, I'm twisting the individual strands the opposite direction. And that kind of interlocks the twist together and makes sure that it stays. It also gives you like a nice curl pattern at the end. And then as you can see, I got some of the hair paint wax on my neck. Y'all, this hair paint wax was all over the place by the time I was done. It was on the carpet, it was on my shirt, it was on my face, it was on my skin. It was everywhere, so please don't think this is gonna be a clean process at all. Alright, so we got a little bit closer so that way you can kind of see how I'm twisting a little bit better. I'm sure there are better tutorials out there that can explain it better than I can, but basically, like I said before, I have my 2 twists and those are going in one direction, like around each other, but while I'm twisting them around each other, I'm twisting each individual strand the opposite way. So if I'm twisting the 2 strands counterclockwise, then I'm simultaneously twisting each individual strand clockwise. It does take some practice to get a hang of it, but I've realized that this method really gives you that interlocked twist that will not untwist, if that makes sense. It's fine by me. Okay, and you remember how earlier I was like, I don't know if the gold is going to show up on my hair. I just wanted to try it real quick and see if it did. It really didn't look any different than my actual hair color, so I decided to just cover it up with that peachy orange color again. Also, I just want to point out how disrespectful my hair is. Like, she really gonna look all long when she's in a fresh, like, moist twist. But as soon as them twists dry, she wanna shrink up. Like, how rude is that? Like, look at this length. Got it. She there, okay? Alright, and here I wanted to try and section out my bangs and do a different color, so I decided to use that gold color, even though I know it wasn't much different than like my hair color, but I just wanted to try a different bang color. Like, I thought it'd be cute. You know, why not? Why not? YOLO! I mean, this is all washable, so might as well try it out. Y'all, for the life of me, I do not understand how, like, people who do hair tutorials and makeup tutorials don't make weird faces. Like, I make weird faces the entire time I'm doing something. Like, I skipped over so many weird faces while I was editing this video. I don't know how they stay cute, them gurus and stuff, when they make tutorials, because it ain't me, sis. I wish, but it ain't me. Like, oh my gosh, I look ridiculous, but here we are. Alright, so it did get on my hands a little bit, but I just washed it off, sat underneath the dryer for a little bit. They were like 80% dry, but I actually went to go watch the game, so I took them out like the next day. And so this is the next day when I'm untwisting them. And y'all, these twists were hard. Like, they were like, look at that definition. Boing, period. But they were like stiff, and I assume that's because like the hair paint wax is already like a, I don't know, it's not a gel, but it's definitely like a curl definer type thing. And I put a gel in my hair as well, so the twist felt super hard, super stiff, so I had no help for this. but they turned out pretty cute. Like, look at this. And then when I was taking this down, it did get messy. It flaked all over the place, so just keep that in mind. These are my curls on the left, the same day that I took them out. On the right, this is a few days later, but I use like some gel to touch up the ends. And here is pretty much the final product. We love to see it. And my hair is still going strong in the curl pattern over a week later. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit me up on my other socials listed down below, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!